Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about head shape for girls. To shave your head, you can start by trimming your hair with clippers to make the shaving process easier. Then apply shaving cream or gel to your head to soften the hair. Use a sharp razor and shave in the direction of hair growth to avoid irritation. Take your time and be careful, especially around bony areas like the skull. After shaving, rinse your head with cool water and applying a soothing moisturizer. Remember, take it slow and be cautious. To maintain a shaved head, you can regularly shave or trim the hair as it grows back to keep it smooth. Moisturize your scalp to prevent dryness and irritation. It's also essential to protect your scalp from the sun by wearing a hat or using sunscreen. Keeping your head clean and exfoliated can help prevent ingrown hairs. Enjoy your smooth look. So viewers, let's end the video here. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.